Oh, no, bro. What's up? You want to run it, huh?
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing and a quick coin update here. We're going to give you a quick show look ahead what's going to go on today. And you can see Rmrk has had a phenomenal pump. You can see I thought it was going to do it from the $25 level, come off lower support, and then back test this upper resistance. It's already doing it right now. It did it off the $30 level, and that's been a nice pump from there. And it's back tested this upper resistance, and that's been about a 24% pump. Now what you're looking for is, can it break back into this rising? Because I thought this is a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. So this makes sense. Now you're looking to see, can it get over the 200-day moving average and hop back in this descending triangle and hold this as lower support now, right? Because as it's coming up into it, it's upper resistance. When it was in it, it was lower support. Then it breaks down out of it. Now it back tested as upper resistance, right? But if it can hop back in here and then back test it as lower support, then you can kick back off up. I think it's going to get rejected by it, but we'll see today. We'll get into that a little bit later on today. And then another one that's had a phenomenal pump was Dapp. Look at this. We've been in this falling channel since this coin's very new, and since it's come out, really, we had a big pump, and then we were in this falling channel, and it finally broke out of the falling channel. As we were saying, if you wanted to play the pump, you buy the support at the bottom, and then you would sell it up here at 0.003 cents because you would play support, sell resistance, and that was a 30% pump. But this time it's blown way past resistance, and it's up 157%, and it has cleared the target, because the technical target out of a falling channel, as you guys know, is the top of the channel where it started, and that's right up there. And you can see now it's fulfilled the top of the channel. So I would think it's going to start to get rejected now, but it had some nice volume, but we're seeing big wicks now. So if I had to forecast this, I would say this is just like Raven, where it's fulfilling oversold, and it's going to start to trade back down. And your first underneath resistance is the 0.03. And then if you break that, your next resistance is the falling wedge, or the falling channel that you broke out of, and then you back test it a little bit later on, but probably very quickly at 0.02. But that one did break up and fulfill a falling channel. And then we're going to go look at the Bitcoins. You see Bitcoin was up 3. But again, like Bitcoin, I think this is just another one of these like you've had right here. Oops. But we'll pay attention and get into it later. High, lower high, and then an even high now on this pump. But I think this is going to get sold off quickly, and I think it's going to trade back down because there's no volume still, the 200 days traveling downwards. I think that's going to act as overhead resistance, but we'll watch out today to see if you can't get over that 200-day moving average, get up to about 50,000 and hold it. But I don't think you're gonna. I think you're gonna hit that and start to trade back down, but we'll watch out for that. And all the rest of the coins, the XRP hasn't really responded yet. It's come out, hit our upper resistance that we were talking about the other day, and it's having trouble really getting above that 92-cent level because that's major overhead resistance. But we are in a falling channel, and the top of the channel is $1.15. So we're gonna pay attention for the $1.15, just like you've seen on Nord, that it broke out of its falling channel. Its technical target is $1.13 on here, but its lower support is 57 cents. So there's quite the range, a lot to watch out for. We'll stay on top of it at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.